See this in the reflection, guys? Those are all my personal unbuilt keyboards. Oh, baby, look at it. We got the bubble wrap. Ooh. Oh, it's gonna match. This is probably gonna clash with this a little bit. Oh, that's exactly the color I want it. That is exactly the color that I want it. It's not quite a beige. Oh yeah, it's sick. Yeah, I'm gonna wait till the sun goes down because it's kind of like a little washed out orange right now, but yeah, that's really freaking cool. Can we get this version? No, we're gonna be selling this version. The feet go so nicely with it too. Oh man. The matching switches. Thank you for holding this board for me. No problem, Nai. The matching switches. That looks sweet. Yeah, that's cool. I can't wait to get this like actually built up and stuff. This is pretty sweet looking. Yeah, that orange turned out so nice. Again, once the light goes down outside, I'll actually open this up a bit more. You know, I'm even surprised how well the feet match. Like, this looks so sweet. This looks so sweet. Yeah, I can't wait to assemble this. Kaiju, actually, you know what? That's a good call. I wasn't even thinking Kaiju. I was thinking I was gonna do something like, honestly, I was thinking about like Wob or just something beige. But Kaiju might be a really good choice. Damn. Yeah, this will look cool. Once all the switches are in it and stuff, this will look sweet, dude. Like, yeah, that's gonna look so dope. I was thinking NK Industrial. That could look nice too. I think Industrial is a bit cooler though. Okay, so I asked Mode to where we have more time frame stuff. I wrote it all down, but right now, again, all up in the air, everybody. But it's looking like middle of August, roughly, in stock. First come, first serve. Maybe we'll do some like event where maybe Twitch chat gets it first or something. If I don't even know how well it's gonna do, but it's cool. I don't know. But so Varja, rough estimate, maybe 250, 200, 250. I want to say. What material is the accent paste? Just aluminum. I don't think we need to go anything too crazy with this to raise the prices any. I think we can get away with just using this. The Envoy sounds great with just the aluminum on it too. This is the PCB we're using today. So there is 2 flex cuts in it. Are you comfortable with that? Long story short, guys, very sad story. Very sad. Pajama accidentally bought the wrong PCB and I can't do anything to get it to work inside the moment because it doesn't have a JST connector, nor does it have a spot where I can install it. Oh, it was Steve's fault? It's Steve's fault. Sorry guys, didn't realize it wasn't Pajama's fault. It's Steve's fault. This was interesting too, because this I had to repair to get it to work. The JST was not soldered on at all, so I need to solder this on, but luckily we have something. So basically today was a moment build rooting for Pajama, and I found an old PCB that I had that's 60, and it's hot swap, and it works with this keyboard because it has the JST in the right spot. And I tested it, works great. VIA compatible, flashed it all to the latest spec, got rid of the USB-C on it, installed the JST instead. Has flex cuts. I don't think it'll matter too much in this. The two, usually, I mean, the Unicorn has 2 as well. And it's hot swap. So there you go. Here's the inside of the moment. And then we have the weights, which already has the daughter board installed. Probably has some of my fingerprints on it now. I've been trying to keep it on a cloth though. Oh, baby, dude, look at the moment weight. Look at that thing. Look how beautiful. Oh, it's so nice. I know it's just I don't know, there's something elegant about this piece, but it is pretty. All right. Let's do some stabs. Should be a pretty simple build today because everything's kind of already installed. My only real concern is I'm really hoping, I have not built a moment with, this is Palm, I assume. Pajama, they didn't send you any other plates, right? Was it just this? I didn't see anything else in the case. Just the one, unfortunately. You know what? It would have been really nice if they had given us like one extra plate. That way there we could have just built 2 separate boards. But the original switches I put in a bag, they were low-key a little bit inconsistent, but it's okay. What's my favorite keyboard for a blackboard or key set? Ooh, I'm very basic. I'm a basic human being when it comes to that. It's Wob, baby. Oh, baby, I'm excited to put this thing together. If I remember correctly, oh yeah, it's easier to put the dot rotor on last, right? Let me get the little special piece here. So, all right, let's plug this bad boy in. Ooh, I'm excited. The moment's such a pretty build when it's all put together. Oh yeah, look, limited run of 50. If you guys were curious. Ooh, so cool. Got all the blockers in place. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Yes, sir. I guess we could, Nah, it's easier to put it here than to feed it in the other way. Bottom only sounds better too. Ooh, maybe we do remove them then. Although, fuck, I really don't think this adhesive is gonna peel off nice. Oh, you know what? Maybe it will. You know what? Actually, let's just remove them. You know what? Might come off nice. Okay, we got it. Oh, no, never mind. Oh, wait, was I supposed to put the weight in first? No, the weight goes in. It does go in first. Oh, there's a channel here. This is the one thing about the moment that I didn't like. Wing for the mirror? I will in 1 second. There we go. The moment has like a channel and it's kind of awkward to get to. And it's what, these guys? These guys. Same bit? Same bit. Spudger time? Oh no, I got it. Honestly, Gio, I have a little bit of like, there you guys go. Flashbacks from the first time I did it, because I think the first time I did the moment, I struggled for like 20 minutes trying to get it in. All right, keycap set time. Where did I put it? This is the second time I get to see using the mode obscure switches. Are they any good? I like them so much where I got some done in custom colors. That looks great. Oh, fuck, dude. Bro. Hold on, let me wipe this down and stuff. Let me get a microfiber cloth. Sorry if my desk is shaking. Let me wipe it down a little bit more. I still see some fingerprints, but I'll do that afterwards with like a wet cloth. But any chance of signed engraving on the backplate for extra mullahs on the Envoy? Unfortunately, oh god, I think I got a splinter. Nothing I could do there, but what's the name of my headset? My IEMs are called Campfire Andromedas. Oh man. Dude, that looks... Look, dude, see this in the reflection, guys? Those are all my personal unbuilt keyboards. That I have no chance of building unless we do a subathon, because I have no time to build them. This collection can last like 2 years. That's pretty clean. You better build your cloud line soon. I need to build my Kaze still too. Okay, so just again, quick exploration of this board's kind of details. Look at that side profile. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh man. Do a little flip over here. Moment signature in the center. The desk pad is from Grovemade. I don't remember the color or the make of this one here. I think it's just, I don't know what size. This was gifted to me by someone. Again, it's not like a desk pad I would go out of my way to recommend. It slides around a lot. It is pretty though. All right, guys. I'm ready to sound demo this guy up. This JDW guy seems like he's good at making boards. I guess he's okay. Yeah, he's probably good. She's all working. Beautiful. Ooh, those alphas sound a little deeper than I expected, probably because of that palm plate. Not in a bad way, though. That's a pleasant surprise. Here's my little HJ test for you. Ghosty, that's a good one. I like that dust pad. Little HJ for you guys. Actually, it's very soft. Oh, I think I clicked something there. I don't know. Did I switch scenes? Oh, no, I did. Okay, we're good. Here we go. It is a little bit bouncy, yeah. There's no plate foam in this, no. Oh my God, dude. Dude, that sounds so good. In my personal builds, I try to stay away from using foam stuff just because I like a certain sound signature that doesn't really come from using foam, but I am not opposed to using foam. I actually have a bunch of personal builds that I've used foam with. Jesus, this is insane. It's nice. I'm gonna send you a year's supply of mic knives. Dude, don't even stress, dude. I am also very glad, Pajama, that we have the hot swap in this, just because I didn't want to like leave you high and dry with just one style of switch and then be like, yeah. So very glad that we managed to get a PCB that was perfect for you here. This or derivative? Why are you guys gonna make me choose? They're both nice, man. Yeah, what Solid said, bro, this and derivative. I don't know. I can't choose, man. Can you sign somewhere on the inside of the case? Yeah, for sure. I'm not going to sign the PVD on the, or the weight on the inside. Can you even see the weight from the inside? I don't think so. I'll just sign the inside of the case. That just turned out great, man. This turned out so good. How is this compared to other high-end boards like Kohaku Korn? So, I have a Korn right in front of me. The Korn, different switches though. This is not long pull switches in here, by the way. Even this spacebar, like look how different the spacebar is. Different plate. This is palm, so this is not going to be as in your face as something like aluminum, right? So different sound signature. This sounds like, you know, in a way it almost sounds like a little bit of a raindrop. It's the blue one, Assassin. But yeah, very nice. Like, both are great, right? So, no, you're not too late. I can show it off again. Here's the orange Envoy. Still, like, dude, that looks so nice. It might look, I don't know if it's like popping too much on stream, but like, dude, this is, look at this case color. That is going to be so nice with just some, you know, beautiful keycap set laying inside. Oh, it's going to look so good, guys. Aluminum, yeah. What keycaps are going to use on the Envoy? I'm not sure yet. Still have to decide that. I wonder how it'll look with GMK Aether. I don't think it'll look good with Aether. Or maybe it would, who knows? Osemi keys, that could be really nice too. Zuyin would look really nice. I might have to pick up a set of Zuyin for it. This is Skidata. Ooh, I could use the accent from Skidata. I could. That's the moment though, guys. This is the moment. Turned out absolutely fantastic. Like this looks just. My God, that looks good. Light Dandy would be sick on it too. All right, guys, let's go raid Max. Sick build tonight. Super excited to get those envoys in too, man. This thing turned out so beautiful. Like, look at this. Look at this orange, guys. Oh my gosh. Look at that. This is gonna look so pretty built up, man. All right, though, guys, take care. Enjoy Max's stream. Bye, everybody. See ya.